And the governor announcing today he will host his final coronavirus briefing next Friday. The last briefing will come 2 years to the day after the first case of COVID was detected in New Jersey. That was March 4, 2020. News 12 New Jersey's Alex Sedan reports from Trenton.
We're pretty much getting back to where we want to be, which is normal.
After nearly 2 years of unveiling data and fielding questions at more than 250 live coronavirus briefings, virtually all of them from the War Memorial in Trenton, just 1 week from this Friday, Governor Murphy will sign off with his last regular update on COVID-19.
It's not defeated. That's not a word I would use. That's not what we're saying. We're saying that we can begin to responsibly live in its midst.
Deaths are decreasing in our hospitals, which is a good sign, but they are still in double digits.
And with the school mask mandate ending the Monday after the last briefing on March 7th, the governor faced questions on when he will lift remaining pandemic measures, from masks being required inside state buildings.
I think we'll review the masking for state offices relatively near future.
To a return to full in-person services at the Motor Vehicle Commission.
My mantra and my hope would be you go back to in-person where that step is a more efficient step than the online step.
And reopening to the public the state's one-stop career centers, which, among other things, help the unemployed to find work.
They're coming. I think it's a matter of weeks. I said that last week, and I think it is a matter of weeks. Bear with me on that. But that will happen. All of those things are on the board, but they're not all going to be on March 7th.
Some things that are not likely to change include the state encouraging booster shots for everyone.
And I think we're going to see boosting for a while, similar to what we see with some other vaccinations.
The governor saying the Department of Health will still post coronavirus numbers online, but regular briefings will only return if there's what he calls material deterioration in the data measuring COVID-19. In Trenton, Alex Sedan, News 12, New Jersey.
Fewer than 1,000 people who have COVID now hospitalized. That's the lowest level in more than 3 months.